follows my nose. Right below my eyes it grows. Sniffing flowers, smelling pie. It helps me smell the things nearby.
Clap your hands, stomp your feet, move your body to the beat. Touch your head and pat your knees, spin around and feel the breeze.
Eyes can blink and help me see colors, shapes, and bumblebee. Ears can hear a doggy bark or cricket singing in the dark. Arms for hugging, hands to play. Fingers paint and point the way. Legs can jump and feet can run. Dancing, skipping, oh what fun!
My brain thinks and makes me smart. It helps me draw and make some art. My heart beats with the lovely sound. Thump, thump, thumping all around. Touch your nose, now wiggle your toes. Twirl around wherever you go. Every part is good and true, and each one's special just like you.